In this video, I'll be showing you how to stop background apps from running on Android. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any Android phone you have. Now, even if you don't have like an app open in the background, like over here, if it's still like, if you, even when you close it, it might still be open in the background, which can just be draining your battery. So you can turn it off individually for each app if you want to. What you want to do is go over to your settings application, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see apps towards the bottom. So go ahead and click on that. Now at this point, you want to find whichever application you want to turn off background app refresh for, and you want to stop it from running. So what you want to do is, let's just say choose Instagram, for example. I'm going to see a lot of options here, but what I want to do is, if I go over and I'm going to see, mobile data, I can allow background data usage. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, but then I'm going to see even more things. So what I want to do now is go over to my battery icon, and I want to put it from optimized, because optimized is what it's going to be on default, and it says optimized based on your usage for this app. I want to switch it to restricted. Once you switch it to restricted, that's literally pretty much all you got to do, and you can clear the cache if you want to save some storage. But yeah, just switch it to restricted on any application, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.